Hi guys, welcome to the channel and let's start a new video series on candlesticks. Okay, this is a new video series on candlesticks. Hope you will enjoy it and definitely this will become very helpful for you. I hope you won't skip the video and please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Let us start. Okay, we know that in our trading setup it may have a bar charts or normal charts like line charts and all. And okay, now let's start with the trading with candles. Okay, just this video is an introduction about the candlestick and how they will form and how we need to work with those. Let's start the video now. Okay, uh, now, do trading charts give you a headache? It's my first question. Why? Because, as I told, many people may use bars and many people may use lines. Okay. Mm. But if you're getting confusion, or if you're if you're feeling an irritative because of those, you have a remedy here. Okay, you will going to know a new method of trading, or new, it's not a new method of trading, it's a new type of charts. Okay, and now uh, first we need to know how to trade in candlesticks. Okay, and these are some examples that I got, and just use it for a ppt, and we don't need to see others, because we need to know about ourselves and we need to concentrate on our results only. Okay, so we are using a candlesticks. Okay, let us see from where the candlesticks is originated. Here candlesticks are not find out candlesticks are not found by any great scientists and all. Okay, they are found by rice merchants of Japan. Okay, Japanese rice merchant in 1700s. Okay, to track the rice prices. Okay, and after that after that the Americans uh, recognize that candlesticks and how the efficiency, the efficiency of the candlesticks, and they introduced to whole world about the candlesticks. Okay, now, okay, now candlestick charts are easier to read than bar charts. Oh yes, it's true. Candlestick charts will tell us the opening and close price and high and low also, right? But in case of bar charts, it's not like that. So candlesticks is very easier comparable than bar charts and line charts also. Okay, now, as I told, they also make it easier to tell whether the open or close price was higher. Okay, it will tell us whether the open price is higher or close price is higher of that candle. Okay, and of that day also. Okay, now let us see here. In candlesticks, there are three major parts. One is a body. Okay, this is a body, and another one is a upper wick and a lower wick. The totally totally a candle consists of three parts: one, two, and three. Okay, this whole is of one. It's called a body, and this is a wick. Okay, it's a upper wick and it's a lower wick. We can call it as a shadow also. Okay, this wicks can call it as a shadow. Okay, you can see here. Okay, here if the wick is and the above of the candle body, it will be called as buying pressure. And if that wick, if it is present in the below of the body, is called as selling pressure or a seller's pressure. Okay, we can call it also as a buyer's rejection and seller's rejection, or buying pressure, selling pressure. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let's go further. Okay, in candles there will be two type of candles. One is bullish and another one is bearish. Okay, let's see first bullish. Bull in stock market, bull always represented in ox. Okay, in a ox, it's a bull. Okay, it's a bull. You can see it's a bull, right? Bull. Okay, it's not ox, it's a bull. Okay, sorry for that. And now have you see here, it can be a green candle also. Okay, bullish candles will be green. Okay, bearish candles will be black. Okay, it's a hollow or a green also. Okay, shows that the opening price will be below of the closing price. Okay, or we can say it, the closing price will be above the opening price. Okay, closing price will be more than the opening price. Okay, you can see here, it's the candle opened here and it made a low and it again made a high and close here like this. Wait, I will show you how this candle went. Okay, at this position it's opened and it came down again, it went up like this. Okay, went up and it closed here. Okay, it closed here. See, it closed here. Okay, this is completely a body. This is completely a body. Okay, this is completely a body, and these are wicks. Okay, these are wicks. Okay, these are wick. Okay, upper wick and lower wick. Okay, and this candle may vary from 5 seconds, 1 minute, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year also. Okay, so this is a candlestick formation. How the candlestick will form? Okay, this is the candle for that question. This is the answer. This is how the candlestick form. Okay, in the case of bullish candle or a green candle or a hollow candle. Okay, now let us start with. Sorry. Okay, now let us go see how the bearish candles will form. Okay, this is similar to the bullish candle, but in an opposite way. Okay, here the candle opened. You can see here the candle opened. It went up. Okay, it went up, and again it came down like this. It came down like this, and it came down like this. And you can see here it closed here. Okay, it closed here. This is how this is completely a body, and these are the wicks. Okay, lower wick and upper wick. Okay, you can see here, this is how the red candle or bearish candle, black candle will form. Okay, here in stock market, bear is referenced as a downtrend. Okay, it's a down. Okay, the fall of the market, and bull has represented as an up, gain of the market. Okay, hope you remember this. And now let's okay let's start about the candles. Hope let us do one thing. I will going to do one more part. If I do see here, there are many slides. If I do now, it may it may become a very lengthy video. So I hope you got some idea about that. I will going to show you a live demonstration. Okay, this is all about candlestick formation and the bearish and bullish candles. I will going to tell you type of candles. There are in candles only, not only by the color, the body formation. There are many types of candles. I will going to tell you. I will going to show you what are the types of candles in example, and in my next video. But for today, this is of this is all about how the candles will form and what are the candle colors will tell. Okay, what is the bearish candle and bullish candle. And now I am going to show you a live example for you how the candles will be there. Okay guys, you can see here, these are the candlesticks. You can see I will going to remove these indicators. Don't worry, I will going to you may confuse that what are these indicators and what are these lines. They are called indicators. I will going to explain you each and everything about indicators. Not only single 2 or 3 indicators. I will going to tell you about 14 to 15 indicators which will help you which will help you like anything. Okay, it will definitely help you for your analysis also. And let us see in the part of indicator videos. So let us now see how the candlesticks will form. Okay, I'm going to clear everything. You can see here, these are 5 minutes candles. Okay, these are 5-minute candles. just I am showing you. It's a Reliance. It's a Reliance company. It's a Reliance Industries, so which is based in India. Okay, just showing an example for you, and you can see here it's a 5 minutes candle, and it's a 30-minute candle. You can see 1 month, 1 week, like that. Okay, so it's a 1 month candle. Okay, see here, yeah, for example, as I told, in if you take we if we take a green candle, the price opened here. Okay, the price opened here and closed here. Okay, you can see here, if we take this green candle, the price opened at this point, and it made a low for this point. Okay, and it made a high for this point, and again it closed here. It's a green candle. Okay, always remember, if the candle closed above the opening point, it will become a green. If the candle closed below the opening point, it will become a red. Okay, like this. See here, it opened here, it made a high up to here, but it closed here, it become a red, like this. Okay, this is how the candlesticks will form. There are different type of candles, like you may wonder what are these candles and what are these candles. Okay, I will going to explain each and everything about candles and candlestick bodies, patterns also, in my next videos. This is all about the candlestick formation, and this one more example for you guys. Okay, this is one more example for you. I kept it in a okay, I kept it in some colors, so don't need to worry, we can change it here. Okay, see here, it become a green red, and you can see I will show you a good example here how the candlesticks will form. Okay, now let me make it. It's a line chart, right? Okay, it's a okay, Euro JPY, Euro JPY. Okay, it's a Euro JPY, Euro JPY. You can see here, this is how the candlesticks will look. This is how the uh, line chart will look. Okay, let me zoom in, and here too. You can see here, we can't find what are the highs and what are the lows made by the market. You can see for this candle, this is the high, and we can say this is the high, and 119.88 in Euro JPY is a forex, right? So we can it's a Euro JPY chart, and the high made is 11.11. You can see at this point. Okay, you can see here 11.880, and here we can see the high, but it is more good and it's more accurate in candlesticks, which candle made a high, or whether the market didn't made a high. We can see it in a candlestick. So candlesticks are better compared to bar charts and line charts also. Okay, this is how the candlestick forms. You can see here. Okay, it made a low. Okay, let me see here. 1220, right? See here, the candlestick opened here, it opened at this point. Okay, it made a low here, and again it went. Okay, and it closed here, okay, it closed here, so the candle become a green candle with up wick and low wick. This is the candle has that I said now. Okay, this is how the candlestick will form. I hope you got some introduction about candlesticks. In my next video, I'm going to explain each and everything, how the candlesticks will work, and the patterns of the candlesticks, and everything, how and where you need to use those candlesticks, and where you need to how you need to think at some different contexts and all. Okay, so hope you like this video, and please subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends by telling that there is a genuine channel which tells the accurate information about the trading, and not only for forex, for both stocks and everything. Okay, tell them that our channel will cover forex, binary, whatever, forex, stocks, everything. Okay, so I hope you will tell that. I'm going to sign off, guys. Have a nice day. Okay, thank you.